Hello and welcome to another video of 5-Minute German. In today's video, we will learn what is the Partizip 2 form. I will also show you where it is used and how to form a Partizip 2 form for different cases. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of what the Partizip 2 is and how you can create it. So let's get started. Partizip 2 is also called Partizip Perfekt. This is because it is most commonly used in the perfect tense. The perfect tense is also a past tense, which is often used in speaking and informal writing. In the Partizip 2 form, the verb usually starts with the prefix ge and ends with either te or an. An example of the Partizip 2 form used in a sentence is Ich habe heute viel gearbeitet. I worked a lot today. In this sentence, gearbeitet is the Partizip 2 form of the verb arbeiten. Let's take another example. Ich habe einen Kuchen gegessen. I ate a cake. The Partizip 2 form of essen is gegessen. Now let's see where is the Partizip 2 form used. The most common use of the Partizip 2 form is when making a sentence in the perfect form. The perfect form is used to talk about the past. The sentences Ich habe einen Kuchen gegessen and Ich habe heute viel gearbeitet are both written in the perfect form. I have a detailed video on how to make sentences in the perfect form. You can find the link of this video in the description below. Another use of the Partizip 2 form is as an adjective for an action which has already taken place. For example, die reparierte Waschmaschine steht im Bad. Here, reparierte is the Partizip 2 form of the verb reparieren. Now let's see how you can form a Partizip 2. The Partizip 2 form is created differently for regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's first take the example of regular verbs. So in case of regular verbs, also known as weak verbs, for example, kaufen, arbeiten, machen, etc., the rule is that the verb will come without an with the prefix ge and the ending te or te. For example, arbeiten will become gearbeitet, machen will become gemacht, kaufen will become gekauft. So in this way, you can create the Partizip 2 form for regular or weak verb. In case of modal verb or irregular verbs, the following rule will be used. The prefix will be ge, then the verb root will come in the past form without a, and the ending will be te. For example, the modal verb wollen will become gewollt in the Partizip 2 form. The third case is strong verbs. In this case, the rule is that the Partizip 2 form will have the prefix ge and the ending an. However, the root verb will change, and there is no rule for creating the root verb, so you will have to remember these root verbs. Some examples are the verb essen becomes gegessen. So you see the root verb becomes gessen here. Another example is verb schreiben, which means to write, becomes geschrieben, and so on. I have created a PDF with the most important strong verbs. You can download the PDF from the link in the description below. The fourth case is Trennbare verbs or separable verbs. So in case of weak Trennbare verbs, the prefix will remain the same and the suffix will change. Let's take the example of the verb aufräumen. So when we convert this into the Partizip 2 form, then the prefix which is auf will remain as it is, but the suffix which is räumen will be changed. Räumen will get the prefix ge, and we will remove an from the verb root and replace it with the ending te or ate. So aufräumen becomes aufgeräumt. Let's take another Trennbare verb, aufmachen. So in this case, auf will remain as it is and machen will be changed to gemacht. So the verb will now become aufgemacht. In case of strong Trennbare verbs, the prefix of the Trennbare verb will remain as it is and the suffix will be changed according to the rule of the strong verb. For example, aufstehen will become aufgestanden. So you see the prefix ge and the ending an. Now let's do a recap. Partizip 2 or Partizip Perfekt is a verb form which is used to talk about the past. It is most commonly used in the perfect form or as an adjective about actions which have already taken place. It is created differently for regular verbs and irregular verbs. For regular verbs, it is created with the prefix ge and ending te or ate. In case of irregular verbs, it starts with the prefix ge and ends with the ending an. However, the root verb changes. In case of weak separable verbs, the prefix of the separable verb remains as it is and the suffix follows the same rules as for a weak or regular verb, which means that the prefix will be ge and the ending will be te or ate. For strong verbs, the prefix of the separable verb will remain as it is and the suffix will have the prefix ge and the ending an, whereas the root verb will change. So this was the concept of participe zwei. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below. I will be making other videos, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to the 5-Minute German channel. You can also download the workbook from the description below. Please don't forget to share this video with others so that they can also benefit. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.